You like a dream come true. Just wanna be with you. Feeling so big to see that. You like a dream come true. Just wanna be with you. I love doing it too.
Oh, so fabulous. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Dumebi Lea. If you are an old subscriber, you know how we do it. And if you're new, you're welcome. Join the big happy family. We're almost at 5,000. Okay, let me not say that just in case when I drop this video, it's already more than 5,000. Okay, because I work with faith and I know. So today I'm going to be showing you guys different styles to tie a head wrap around your braids, your locks, your twists, or whatever it is. Yeah, even without the braids. Basically, different ways you can tie a head wrap. And yeah, just in case some of you are wondering about this makeup, I have a tutorial on this makeup look. I'm just going to link it up here. You guys check it out, okay? So let's just get right into the video. So this is the scarf that I'm going to be using. This is the African print, and this is as big as this from here to here, and it is just this long, if you guys can see the length. So it's not very long, and it's sort of like a square. And the first style requires you to have your hair in a bun, just like I have on right now. So I'm going to be taking my African print scarf or fabric and just folding it in half across the middle to give me like a triangle. I'll place it at the back of my head. Tight as you can bear for it to be, because if it's too tight it may get uncomfortable for you during the day.
Okay, nobody say one thing, let's go. We don't send nobody, cause you can't touch me,
I'm just gonna push it back to expose some of my edges and tell me I don't look like a Nubian queen right now. Then I know you're hated. This is so cute. So this is what it looks like, and it's so firm, like it is just firm on my head. So guys, the next style that I have in mind still requires your fabric to be in a triangle. The next one I'm going to do is that I'm going to fold this one forward like so. So I'm still going to fold this forward to make it a bit shorter. So this is what it looks like at this point. And this, my loves, is the second look. So guys, the third style requires your hair to be in a sort of low bun. As you guys can see, my fabric is still in that triangular shape. So I'm just going to fold it just a little bit at the top. I'll just fold it like so, and then I'll just take this over my head. guys, this next style, which is the fourth style that I'm going to be showing you guys, is very simple. Very simple. And it's sort of like a headband, not really much of a head wrap. So you can do it with your fabric either in a square pattern or in a triangular pattern. You can do it either way. So I'm just going to be continuing with my triangular pattern right here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to twist the entire fabric. So guys, the next style that I'm going to do is also going to involve me using my fabric in a triangular shape again, but this time around I'm going to be using a piece of paper like this to give it a shape.
Okay, nobody say one thing, let's go. A mini boss in the building, as you can see, we don't send nobody, cause you can't touch me, we dance it, dance it, dance it, dance it, everybody make we day happy, no time for no darling, cause I wanna play, I wanna dance with your kitty, I want to the jubilee, I'm in the mood, so I got.
Guys, this is the finished look. If you like, you could tilt this a bit to the side like so. So like you could just tilt it a bit, like one up, one down, or you could leave it like this straight. Like, which one do you guys think fits me better? I'm just gonna tilt mine a bit. So you want to tilt one end down. Yeah. Okay, so this is the finished look, guys. Guys, for the sixth style is going to involve me using my triangle again, but I'm going to bend it over like this, and then this tip that is hanging down here, I'll just fold it once more so that everything is like a perfect rectangle, as you guys can see. I'm going to make a bowl just right in front of my head. It could be one-sided if you want, like you put it one-sided, or you could put it right in the middle of your head. Mine is going to be in the middle.
No time for no darling.
So this is it. What do you guys think? It's cute, isn't it? So guys, this is the end of this video. I just showed you guys 6 very stylish African inspired head wraps, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Which one would you rock? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6? Which one do you think you could pull off? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it thumbs up, to share so your friends can see. Don't be stingy, okay? You're going to be helping them by sharing, and you're also going to be helping me. So please do share and subscribe. Not leave without subscribing. Check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.